So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tool Click to Tweet. Now I use this when I want to create a Twitter message for people from within my blog post. And so what I'm going to do is, here's an example. I'm in a blog post here and I want to be able to give people an easy way to send this quote via their Twitter account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hyperlink this text here that says tweet this with a link so that when they click it, it will automatically create that message for them. So the first step in this is to make sure that a tracking link has been created for the post, and I talk about how to do that in another video tutorial. So I've already created a tracking link and I'm just going to copy that tracking link right now. So I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to open up a text editor and I'm going to paste it in. Then I'm going to add /StuMe-share. And what that tells me is that I can now track how many people are sharing that link or clicking that link. And so it tells me it's come from the blog StuMe and it's that share link. So now I'm going to copy that whole thing and I'm going to go to Google URL shortener, and that's found at goo.gl. And I am going to paste it in there and I'm going to click shorten URL. And it's going to give me the new URL, the short one, and I'm going to copy that right there. Then I'm going to go to clicktotweet.com and I am going to paste in that Google URL that I just created. Then I'm going to go back to the post and I'm going to copy the text that I want to be quoted. So I'm going to right click and I am going to copy that. I'm going to come back to Click to Tweet and I'm going to paste it in front right there. Then I'm going to add this little squiggly or via Stu McLaren. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that I add my Twitter handle, Stu McLaren, and maybe we'll reduce the size of this by putting one of those there. So what I might do is I might put some quotations around this if I have a little bit of space, and that looks good there. So now once I've got this, I want you to notice I've got the quote in, I've got the little squiggly, and I've got at Stu McLaren, so that is in there, and then I've got the Google URL. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click generate link, and so it's going to create that link for me. So I'm going to highlight that, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy that link. Then I'm going to come back to the post and I am going to hyperlink this with the new link from Click to Tweet. So I'm just going to paste that in there. There it is. You can see I'm going to click open in a new window and I'm going to add the link. So typically if you see me add the tweet this little bracket tweet this, then that means I want the sentence or the quote right before to go through that process. So I'm going to update this and then I'm just going to show you what it looks like when somebody goes to that URL. So let me just update the blog. Okay, so there we go. So now let me show you. I'm just going to view the post once my internet. Okay, so let's view the post. And my internet's a bit slow. Okay, so let me scroll down. So here it is. So when people click that link, you're going to see it opens a new window and it's going to give people the option to tweet exactly what we just put in there. So that's why we do this, and hopefully that helps make it easier for you to do it for me in the future. Thanks.